Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. Okay, first we have to work this. 6 minus 7 equals negative 1 and 7 minus 6 equals positive 1. And there is multiplication here, multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 1, it equals negative 1. But this is not correct answer. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses. After that, if there is any exponent, we have to work it. Then exponents, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Here, multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And the same rule applies for addition and subtraction. Here, according to this rule, first we have to work this. 6 minus 7 equals negative 1. And we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 7 minus 6 multiplied by negative 1. And first, according to this rule, first we have to work this. Negative 6 multiplied by negative 1 equals positive 6. 7. We have to copy the rest part. And 7 plus 6 equals 13. This is our final and correct answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer is 13. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.